So what should I say? Tell me when to get them. Alright. Alright.
Whenever you're ready, John's gonna edit everything we just said.
Alright. Well, what should I say? Stop looking at me, look at Keith. Don't look at me. Don't laugh. I'm gonna start laughing. Alright. So do I smile or not smile? Okay. Alright. We're ready?
Hello everybody, welcome back to our Blessed Performance YouTube channel. Today we're here with Ben Donahue, as Clayton Freed used to say. He's nervous as hell, but I'm gonna make him do this, okay? He is absolutely stellar with our customers. Most of my customers know this young man. He'll talk to them at 9 o'clock at night on a Sunday. Whenever they need help, he's there to help the customers, help our team. So we wanted to bring him on the video to talk about our in-house
regulator return for the 6-liter power stroke.
So Ben, why do we need this on our trucks?
Because no injector company will warranty your injectors if you're not running a regulator return.
You guys heard that correct. If you are not running a regular return for an aftermarket size injector, no injector company is going to warranty their injectors if you tell them you don't have that. Some companies, I know that Holders has been a little lenient with it. That being said, this is going to protect your investment. What regulator are we using?
This is a 100 PSI fast regulator.
A gauge rated at 150 PSI. What are the hoses rated at?
150 PSI.
They're all tested in-house. Our bracket, I mean, it's as simple as can be. And this is cut on our table and fabricated, bent, and then laser engraved. So when you guys have this mounted on your firewall, it's going to look great and perform great. Performance is what this is about. This is about reliability and performance. Ben, would you put one on your truck?
Oh yeah.
How many trucks do you own?
I own about 3.
3 of these things?
And counting.
6-liter nut, okay? So we love that about him, and this will be on every one of his trucks, and I know it's going to be on every one of my trucks. We're working on developing the instruction sheet to go with it. To sum it up, let's open up the hoses and show the folks how this goes. This is wrapped in some fancy stuff so it doesn't get hurt. But let's take these fittings out. So, on the fuel bowl, you have your blue spring, the blue spring housing. You'll take the fitting out that goes to, this goes into there. That solid line comes completely out. You remove it from the factory line, and this goes into the factory line right down next to to your steering box. From there, this goes on the bottom of your regulator down to the steering box. This is the return line. You can tell it's the return line because it's got 2 straight fittings on either end. And this is the return fitting that goes into your factory return fitting. Now right here, we have 2 lines. There's 2 different lengths. So the best way to explain this is the shorter one goes to the driver's side head because that's going to be the closest to here. So what you'll do is you'll thread this into the driver's side head, and really you want to go till it's about finger tight, maybe 4 foot-pounds, and then from there you tighten the backing nut to tighten it up. There's a Boss O-ring fitting, and that's designed to keep it from leaking. Then you'll take the straight fitting on there, you'll thread it on there, and you'll come around to your regulator with the flexible 90-degree fitting and put this right on the regulator, right here. Give you an idea of how this goes together. That's how it is. And then the other side goes all the way to the passenger side. Now when you're going across the top of the engine on the passenger side, you got to think about, and we have pictures showing the proper routing on our website, about running behind the up pipes. Obviously the up pipes get
very hot. Usually around 1,400, 1,500.
That's when you're driving, right?
Yeah.
Most people try to keep it at 700, 800. Okay, but that's the hottest part of the engine. So what we recommend doing is zip tying this to your IPR and then going under your Fickum bracket to keep it away from the up pipes. That'll help keep away from the up pipes, and then over to the regulator. Alrighty? Pretty simple installation. It can be done on the weekend. I'm going to call this a 6-packer. You need a 6-pack of beer to get this installed. With it, that way you don't throw any wrenches while you're doing it. You might cut your fingers a couple of times, get some knuckle busters, but you do have to pull the turbo, you do have to pull the up pipes, or at least loosen them up at the manifolds and roll them back out of the way. But once you're there, it's a walk in the park from there. This is how the kits will come assembled, pre-assembled. There's a ground wire on your firewall. You'll take that bolt out and run it right through here. And then from there, you run your lines to this and you're done. We assemble it as much as possible for the end user to be able to install it very easily. That's the reason it's set up like this. Yes, we can have the hoses attached to here, to the fittings. I feel like that's kind of backwards because then you're gonna have to take it off anyways to get it routed. So, and my thought process was like, if I'm installing this, what am I gonna set up on my workbench before I go to install it? And that's how we're shipping them. Yes, these have a warranty, they have a 2-year warranty. So make sure you understand that, it's a 2-year warranty. I don't think anybody else on the market offers that. Do they?
Nope.
I think everybody else is a 1 year. There's other kits out there and they're wonderful. They're solid lines and they do their own thing. These are on the website, ready to purchase. We have plenty in stock and we're ready to ship them. Make sure you comment about Ben. He's nervous as hell, okay? Tell him he did a wonderful job because I think he did a good job.
We
even
are
though he's
working
nervous.
on the fuel bowl delete portion as well, so those will be coming out.
Thank you. I almost forgot that.
Yeah.
Yes, the fuel bowl delete portion will be an add-on for, you know, 150 bucks or whatever it is, 190 bucks. And that's coming out very, very soon. So we'll have that released probably within the next 2 weeks.
Yep.
Right in there, Ben?
Yep.
If you got any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call. Shoot Ben a message. Shoot him an email. Shoot myself an email. sales@blessedperformance.com. 1-800-577-2698. Check out the listing on our website. Call us if you have any questions about installation. It's not difficult and it's very easy to do. 6-pack on the weekend and you're good to go. Be sure to check out all of our social media accounts. You know what they are. You know I talk about this all the time. Like, subscribe, where you post random stuff around the world and have a good time. And that's what we're going to keep doing. Thank you again for all your support. You guys have a blessed day.